This little box of baking soda did what $1,500 a month in Ozempic couldn't. It helped me lose 52 pounds in 45 days.
Stop. This video is a deep fake. Kelly Clarkson has nothing to do with it. You probably found it on a page like this. Kelly supposedly reveals a simple baking soda recipe that helped her and other celebrities lose weight fast. Sure, the page has glowing comments from happy customers. It even uses the Today Show logo. Looks official, right? Not even close. Look carefully. The comments are fake and frozen. You can't post. You can't reply. You can't like anything. And the website address does not match the real Today Show website. That's not a small detail. That's the scam. So where's the recipe? Where are the ingredients in this miracle drink that supposedly melts the weight away? The whole video keeps teasing them. Any second now. Here it comes. Nope. I watched the video carefully more than once. They never reveal the ingredients. So what do they reveal? A checkout page. The video ends by pushing a supplement called AlkaSlim. Watch. I'm scrolling to the end. And there it is. Not a recipe, not evidence, just an ad for AlkaSlim. They claim the supplement contains everything from the mystery recipe. Totally. But this gets even better. Here's the page with Kelly Clarkson supposedly promoting AlkaSlim. Now, look at this version. Same page, same pitch, same story, but suddenly it's Oprah. Magic. Now, Oprah supposedly used the same secret recipe to lose weight. The result is identical. No ingredients, no real explanation, just buy AlkaSlim. And when the video ends, a hidden sales section appears. Buy more bottles, pay less per bottle. Classic. Then come the badges and certificates, supposedly proving AlkaSlim works. Except they're just images. They don't link anywhere. They verify nothing. They're decoration, fake trust signals. The page also shows customer reviews. Those are fake too. There's no proof they came from actual AlkaSlim customers. Keep scrolling. Now we get Dr. Ania Jastreboff. The page claims she developed the recipe. Again, no proof. Just another authority figure added to make the sales pitch look legitimate. So what do real customers say? Let's check Trustpilot. There are reviews from people who say they bought AlkaSlim. Their verdict, it doesn't work. Some call it a scam. Some say they've already filed complaints. So why use Kelly Clarkson? Why use Oprah Winfrey? Because famous faces make people stop scrolling, but neither celebrity has anything to do with AlkaSlim, and neither one is connected to this supposed weight loss method. Kelly Clarkson has repeatedly warned that scammers use her name, image, and voice to promote questionable weight loss products and supplements. She did not endorse them. Oprah Winfrey has issued similar warnings. Scammers use her image and voice to promote questionable weight loss products and supplements. She did not endorse them either. So next time you land on a page like this from Facebook, YouTube, or another platform, check the website address. Does it actually belong to the company whose logo is on the page, or is it just wearing a fake costume? Also, remember what the celebrity supposedly said, then compare it with what they've actually said through reliable sources online. Stay sharp. Thanks for watching.